Hello, this is XLIV, and today, joining me on the little Bluetooth speaker is my friend, my editor, and my future cameraman. Say hello.
Hello, this is not XLIV, and welcome to the video.
You may be asking, what am I doing? There's nothing on the table. Well, looking over here, we are going to be grabbing that top amplifier. I picked up a Sony. Don't ask, weird naming. Let me go over and grab it. So, this happens to be, Sony is one of the worst people at naming things. This happens to be a multi-channel AV receiver STR-DH590. Alright, I have not tested this, so I don't know if it works, but plug it in. Alright, now that I've zoomed in on it, I am going to first off wire it up to my speakers. This time I actually have some quality 12 gauge wire. Not sponsored, would love to be sponsored by them. Brand of the wire is Canucks Concepts. I love their wire, it is so much better than the Walmart wire. Sometimes I have to go back here and realize, because I love banana connectors. Let's see if these RCAs can handle 12 gauge wire.
XLIV also just loves bananas.
What's your thoughts on putting mayonnaise on a banana?
Regular mayonnaise or Miracle Whip?
No, aioli, because there's 3 types of mayonnaise.
I guess that's pretty fair.
The white girl mayonnaise, it's called aioli. Alright, I am extremely glad that the RCAs take 12 gauge. My left wire is a whole lot longer than my right wire. Totally ignore that. Does not cause an audio delay.
There's an audio delay.
No, there's not. Now that they're all plugged in, sorry for the zoomed in angle. Let me zoom out a bit. First ever, turning on. It clicked, it turned green, it says TV. Click means it's activating. It's not displaying anything. Let me click Pure Direct. Oh, there it is. Has a bunch of different names for it. Let's click Bluetooth. Grab some Bluetooth action over here on my tablet.
It has Bluetooth?
It has Bluetooth. Oh, it pops right up. Pairing. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with STR-DH590. Yes, please. Oh, it shows XLIV's tab S8. That is glorious. Using the volume on Bluetooth changes it on the amplifier, which is a very good result. Grab my tablet and changing the volume, see if you can see that. It updates on there. Let's give it some audio to see what it does. It works perfectly. First try. It connected with Bluetooth beautifully. There doesn't seem to be any issues. Mind you, I paid $25 for this. In the future, we will eventually start selling the things that we buy to review. Down at 20 on the volume, it's pretty good.
Different.
It does not sound half bad. Fun fact, not XLIV is the person who said the intro. 72 degrees.
Different.
Let's give it something with a little bit more bass. Let's give it some volume, which I can do remote. It slams the bass, yo. Let me go over and see if any of the settings are there, like somebody applied bass boost to this. Tuning, so it does have that. Music enhancer. It's got a bunch of options for it. It has a speaker selector. So it can turn the speakers on and off. Tuning, so it has radio. It has a couple dead buttons. Give it Pure Direct. It does go pretty loud. Turn off Pure Direct. Pumping from this. It's kind of crazy. You pause the video, come back once I download the manual and learn a little bit more about this. Alright, we're back. So, I found out that I need a remote, like yay. Same with the other Yamaha amp, we will get into that one later. So, what I did find is to factory reset it, which is the best I can do at the moment. Unlike the Yamaha where I have to go through some menus and stuff, apparently all I have to do is hold the power button. So if you want to know how to factory reset this, hold the power button. Should say cleared. Let's see if it remembered my tablet. It's sending another pairing request, so it did not remember that. XLIV's tab S8. Alright, going back on, we're going to see if it had a bass boost from the previous owner. I will look into buying a remote later. How far does the volume go up though? So it goes up to 72, then 73, and then max.
Of course it goes up to 72.
No, it goes up to 74. Anyways, I'm really excited about this Sony amp. It's amazing, actually. For what it is, it's decent. Let's go back and give it a little bit more of a demo just to give you more of a feel for what it is. Let's give it, now that the it has been factory reset, let's give it something that has a good amount of bass, I guess.
This song is 72 degrees.
Yes, sir. This is 72 degrees. This is XLIV. Thank you, and have a good one.